How to fix notifications not working on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find and tap on Notifications. Here, scroll down to the Notification Style section to see a list of your apps. Select the app that you are not receiving notifications from. On this page, make sure the Allow Notifications switch is turned on at the very top. Also, check that your preferred alert types, such as Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners, are enabled. Now, go back to the home screen and swipe down from the top right of the screen to open the Control Center. Then, tap on the Focus button. Simply tap on Do Not Disturb to deactivate it. This will immediately unsilence all incoming calls, alerts, and notifications. Following these steps, you can easily fix notifications not working on an iPhone.